Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
To keep your body hydrated in summer, eat your water. The hottest season, that is summer, has arrived and attained its peak. It's about 43 to 46 degrees outside and we need to stay hydrated to survive all the sweating, and yes, that's it. When it's too hot outside, it's way easier to get dehydrated, especially when you do a physical exercise. You can only drink so much water, and so I want to focus more on consuming hydrating food during the next months. Also, the hydrating foods usually contain the one or other vitamin and mineral, which is pretty awesome. Benefits of staying hydrated. You know what? Your body will thank you for this. Why? Because we are made of water, so staying hydrated comes with these benefits. First, your skin will look healthy. Second, you will have more energy. Third, your memory will improve. Fourth, the gut health and digestion will improve. Fifth, you might also lose weight. Sixth, moving oxygen and nutrients to the blood to yourself. Seventh, diminishing and preventing the formation of the cellulite. Eighth, flushing toxins out from the body. Ninth, helping to prevent the formation of kidney stones. Eating for hydration will keep your daily water intake needs up to mark. However, the following foods give you 10 ways to eat your water. Just keep in mind that these ingredients must be eaten raw, as the cooking will diminish water content. First, cucumber. 96% water to keep you hydrated. Classic cucumber and tomato salad. Cucumber and tomato salad allow us to use and combine all the juicy tomatoes and crunchy cucumbers, and we can mustard straight from the vines. This recipe is perfect for backyard barbecue or lunch on the deck. For keeping the recipe as pure as possible by using balsamic and optional honey for the perfect combination of tangy and sweet. Second, iceberg lettuce. 96% water. Asian chicken and veggie lettuce wraps. Chicken wraps, crunchy, healthy and flavorful. You can't beat a dish like this. The delicate butter lettuce leaves provides a low carbohydrate wrapper for the chicken and veggies. The carrots and bell peppers are superfoods that are rich in the nutritional value. This recipe is low in calories and high in energy. Third, celery. 95% water. Celery in ranch dip. The zesty spice blend and cool creaminess of ranch dressing and trench dip make taste buds sing out of for more. Our ranch dip can be eaten with a veggie tray of celery or with our sweet potato chips. Fourth, radish. 95% water. Citrus and spinach salad with cream lemon dressing. This salad is one of the lively and refreshing salads. The salad combines some of the best fruits and roots like citrus, beet, fennel, and radishes. It is topped with a creamy lemon yogurt dressing and some crunchy candied pistachios to complete the salad recipe. Fifth, red tomato. 94% water. Caprese quinoa salad. Quinoa is one of the best foods for people looking for weight management. It is a grain containing all the amino acids, and it is a great vegetarian source of protein. Also, it makes a great salad base. Therefore, adding quinoa to this basil and tomato salad will give an Italian flair. Sixth, raspberries. 87% water. Raspberry peach sorbet. If you are looking for a refreshing treat, then you can look for this recipe. This sorbet recipe contains no refined sugar or artificial ingredients. It is made with 100% clean ingredients like sweet berries, tangy citrus, local honey and pineapple. So, it's good for the body and the taste bud. Seventh, strawberries. 92% water. Strawberry and avocado salad. The strawberry and avocado salad topped is with bright, beautiful and succulently sweet strawberries and blackberries. Also, add the strawberry balsamic dressing and you have a simply delightful springtime salad. 8th, watermelon, 92% water. Watermelon, tomato and feta salad. Sweet red onions, succulent watermelon and red ripe tomatoes come together with salty feta cheese in this simple salad. You can also add the red wine vinegar and fresh oregano to give a Mediterranean touch. The salad can be dressed simply and lightly with olive oil and vinegar. This salad tastes superb on a hot summer day. 9th, pineapple, 87% water. Pineapple breeze smoothie. This smoothie is filled with a lot of nutrition. The smoothie is truly delightful as it is filled with fresh chunks of pineapple, sweet banana and creamy soy milk. These ingredients are rich in protein and will give you great energy for your busy day. 10th, orange, 87% water. Orange vinaigrette with fresh dill. It is rich in vitamin C and fresh orange juice in your dressing is a nice alternative to vinegar for an acid component. The dill in this orange vinaigrette serves to elevate the flavor to something unique and sophisticated. So in conclusion, you become dehydrated when your body is getting rid of more fluid than you are absorbing. Along with drinking water, you can also boost your water consumption from the foods you eat and makes you hydrated. A lot of fresh fruits and vegetables have an extremely high water content, some of which are mentioned above, helping with hydration. Stay hydrated in summer and eat your water. Hope this video will be helpful for all the viewers.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.